Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learner. So in this video we shall discuss what are the technical questions that was asked in the technical round, that is round 2 in Amazon TechOps Associate SMT Bangalore. So quickly we shall see what are the technical questions they are being focusing. So first you need to, as the role is, they have mentioned in the role that you need to be well versed with Linux commands as well as SQL queries. So most of the questions will be asked from Linux as well as SQL queries. So the first thing you need to concentrate is that you need to be strong with the Linux commands. So all the basic commands. So Linux basic commands, and you need to know the usage of each commands in detail. You need to know the usage of each commands as well as the uses of each command. They may ask any Linux commands and you should be able to answer it. So like the common commands, like it can be cd command. Like cd command, it is used to change the directory, and they'll ask you what is the uses of it and how to use it. So you should know how to use it and what is that command, and you should able to explain it. So cd command followed by man command. So these are the commonly asked commands, that is it can be cd command, man command, as well as it can be rmdir, like remove directory command, as well as mkdir, as well as they may also ask you this sort command. So you need to be strong with these basic Linux commands. So if you want to know in detail how to use these commands and various commands of Linux, then you can watch my videos, that is Git for Beginners. I have made a separate playlist for that. You can watch all the videos from the Git for Beginners, in which I have covered all the basic commands and how to use it, and I have executed and shown each commands. So do watch that. You will be strong with the basic commands. So once you are done with the Linux basic commands, the next question they may ask is the SQL query. So they are going to focus on the SQL query. That is, you should be able to execute SQL query. So and they will ask you to, so SQL query, they will ask you to execute it and show. So you should be able to execute each query and show it. So they may ask you the simple query to execute, but you should be able to write it and execute. So they may ask around. So if they will ask you to execute it and show, it can be around. So they may ask you basically five query questions to execute and show in the chat box, or it can range from 8 to 10 questions in chat box, and they will ask you to run and show the execution of each SQL query. So the query can be simple or it can be complex, but basically they are simple query to execute to check whether you know the usage of running a query, as well as you know the syntax of using it. So you need to be strong with the SQL query. So the like simple query can be, so they may ask you the simple query, like you need to display the unique name from the employee table. So to display unique name from employee table. Here they are not going to check your output or test case. There will be no such thing. Only you need to run the query and show them. So and they are going to check whether you have used a proper syntax and whether you have know how to use the query. So therefore they'll ask you to write the simple query in a chat box and show it. So then the second thing, it can be display. So to display the employee who have no salary. So these are some basic query questions they may ask you. So first thing is you need to be strong with the Linux commands, and then next thing is SQL query. So once you are done with that, the next question, and you need to be prepared with the solutions of all the aptitude questions, or it can be SQL coding question which you have wrote in the exam. So be prepared with solutions of each question of each question wrote in the exam. So they are going to ask you like they may ask you the solution for the question you wrote in the exam, because in order to check whether you wrote the exam prompt or no. So you need to be well versed with the solution you wrote in the exam. And next thing is they are going to check your aptitude skills. So the next part is they are going to check your aptitude skills. So for that purpose, they are going to ask the aptitude questions on few topics. Like you need to be prepared with all the common aptitude topics, and they are going to ask the question from that, and you should able to solve that, or you need to explain them. So they may ask the various topics, like it can be clock and distance and speed. It can be distance and speed, as well as train problems. So as well as train problems. So these are the commonly basic topics which they may ask from the aptitude questions. So here in order to check your aptitude skills, they may ask you the questions from clock, distance and speed, train problems, and there are many aptitude questions they may ask from the various aptitude topics, and you need to be prepared with that. Like it can be profit and loss, so profit and loss, or it can be percentage. So percentage topics. Then after that, again, so they are going to ask so you need to be prepared with some common aptitude topics, and you should able to tell them the solution for that. And next thing is fourth part is you need to be at least you should have the knowledge of MS Excel, or it can be MS Office or PowerPoint. So you should have some knowledge. So you should have knowledge of PowerPoint, or it can be either of one is needed. It's good to have knowledge of either MS Excel or MS Office, whichever, but you need to be prepared for that. So you need to be prepared for that. So these are the technical questions which areas they are going to basically focus. So the first part is they are going to ask you on the Linux basic commands, that can be the usage of each command and which are the commonly. So basic Linux commands. So be prepared with some of the commands, and they may ask you the usage of each command as well as the uses of each command. It can be cd command, man command, rmdir, mkdir. There are many such commands, and you can watch my videos on the I have created a separate playlist for the Linux commands. It's called Git for Beginners. So do watch that. And second part, they will ask you the SQL query, and they will ask you to write a query as well as execute it and show in the chat box. And it can be 5 questions or 10 questions. You need to be prepared for that, and you should be able to write a query, and they're not going to check you to display the output, because they will not create a table and keep already. So here they are going to just ask you to write simple query, and you should be able to write a query. And next thing is that so whatever question, that is whatever you have written the written test, so they are also going to check that, and there are sometimes they ask you the solution for that, to check whether you wrote the exam on your own or did you browse it from any of the Google. So they are going to check for that, so be prepared with the solution. So next thing is they are going to check your aptitude skills, like the questions may be from various topics. It can be clock, distance and speed, train problems, profit and loss, as well as percentage. And you need to be prepared with some common, that is the various topics. It should cover all the aptitude topics, and you should be able to solve the problem. So and here they are going to check your problem solving skills also. So they are going to check problem solving skills, so whether you can solve it or no. So problem solving skills. And the last thing is you need to have some knowledge of MS Excel, MS Office or PowerPoint. So either of one is needed. So this is all about the technical round, that is the commonly asked questions. So commonly asked questions in technical round. So if you prepare on these areas, then definitely you can crack this technical round. So thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.